good morning. Ayan, you do it in your hair, so your hair will be nice and firm. Okay, it will be straight. I have a conditioner. This one we put there in the bowl. Put some amount of conditioner. Then I will take a vinegar. This one is apple cider. I just take 2 cups at two cover, like 2 scoop. Then I will stir it. Oh my goodness, the vinegar is throwing. It's not good already, my bowl. Then apply it in your hair. After 30 minutes, you rinse it. You shower. My goodness, it's throwing the vinegar. So let's do it. Because I will shower, so I will put first in my hair. Like this. To become soft your hair and straight. Because my hair is not straight, it's normal hair, like curly. Not so curly, but it's look like curly. So we rinse it after 30 minutes. I will go to shower and shower. So I will show you after it finish. Okay, after 1 hour I will show you the result. Even any kind of vinegar, if you don't have apple cider, any kind of vinegar that you can use it, mix with a conditioner. This you can do it twice a week or once a week, because we are only doing it once a week, because I use also cloves oil with the mustard oil. So I using it only once a week. The olive the what this one. Okay guys, I will show you after 1 hour the result. Thank you for watching.